wherever you guys are out there in the world. This is Matt, co-founder of Metafide, calling in today, Tuesday, January 27th at 9:30 a.m. for a live supercharge event, as we'll be playing some 1-minute BTC prediction games. What we're trying to do is figure out where the price of BTC will be at the end of a 1-minute interval. And now we are in the 1-day game. Unfortunately, I didn't do as well in the 1 day. I was doing pretty good the last 5 minutes, and then the price changed out from underneath me, but it's all good. I'm going to make it back up in the 1 minute now. So getting myself in here. We got the players rolling in right now. I see Odious out there, Blockchain Bane, Ace, MXAK, Cryptic, Enzo, and the Nara bonus. Good to have you all in there today. Good luck out there in the game. Ooh, interesting. That's really flat for BTC. It's pretty unusual for BTC right there. I don't know what's going on today. Let's check the trading view chart. Okay, looks like we're in a... Doesn't look like we balanced out here. We were in a straight downfall, and then 9:30 came around. Immediately stopped the momentum, balanced it out. Well, it's falling back down. All right, it seems like the line riders there would be winning. Is that Yeti? It's Lorenzo. What up, Lorenzo?
Good morning.
Morning, man. How you doing?
Pretty good. Went to school today.
They
Again.
canceled that?
Yeah, like last second. We were so happy.
Oh, that's good.
I was supposed to have 5 classes today.
That's nice. No, they don't do remote.
No, I mean, maybe some of my teachers might post like a little assignment for us to do, but no, nothing crazy.
Man, you should have went away skiing or something.
I know, it would have been awesome.
Next weekend should be a good weekend.
Yeah.
I think we're not getting data right now in the game.
That's not good. Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah.
I'll check the price right now. Yeah, live price is at 88,036.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. It's moving. That was weird.
There we go, 1.31. But again, just put it right on the line. Oh, there we go. Moving. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. So is the city pretty quiet then?
Yeah, we went out to like the north end yesterday, and there was like nobody there.
Well, that's pretty fun though.
Yeah, it was cool because like every time you go, like all the bakeries are like lines out the street.
Yeah.
Like, so there's nobody in any of them. You get to go to them.
Get some Mike's pastry.
We went to Bova's. We walked into Mike's, and then just like I don't know, they wanted to go to Bova's, so we went there.
Nice. That's good though. I think Yeti was trying to join the stream and it was not letting him in for some reason.
Happy Tuesday. No, it's Dilly.
What up, Dilly? Oh yeah, Dilly. Let's keep it alive. Porky Pig in there.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah. John Pork.
Yeah. I needed the. Wait, did I win?
No, you got third, but you end up
Oh
losing.
my gosh, bro.
John Pork. Let's see. 17 people in the game right now. Yeti's in there.
The joke behind the Porky Pig thing was that we were talking to my friends, and we were saying that the first time he ever talks to a girl, he's gonna sound like Porky Pig.
You just gotta chill, you know. Fuck. Wasn't your generation all about the nonchalant guy or something?
Yeah, chill guy.
Chill guy. Oh man, you killed me on that one. There's Yeti. What up, Yeti?
Hey man, I was in a stream all by myself.
Doing your own
I don't know where the hell I was. That was so weird. I thought I was waiting for you to come in.
Was it streaming or no?
No, it wasn't stream. I couldn't get the stream because I'm in as a guest. I don't know what's happened with my access. Maybe I signed in with the main account the first time, and I just don't know how to do that now. Or saying I don't know what's happened, but yeah, I'm now in as a guest, so I can't actually start and finish it and do all of the stuff.
Oh man, we'll try to figure it out and get you back in there. I don't even know what the sign-in is. It's like I used to undervalue in like a corporate office, like that the admin type of person, the one who had like all the accounts and would help you set them up. Now I'm
Yep.
like, oh, man, like I get it. Like you need someone to keep track of all those things.
Yeah.
All right, we're also live on Instagram now.
It's like I don't trust to use something like a LastPass or all these password storages, so I have them like written down in all these random places. I'm like, where is it?
Oh, you physically write them down.
Yeah, I don't trust anything that's like sensitive information. I like won't put into my phone.
Yep.
I have a journal for all my seed phrases.
Oh, that's good.
Do you break them up as well? Because what if someone takes your journal, then you're screwed, right?
Yeah, it's right here. Anyone could kind of just take it. Maybe I should put it somewhere else.
Yeah, and break them up into, you know, like put half here, half there, in a way that.
Yeah. It actually couldn't be easier. I put exactly where it's from, which wallet it was, and then it. I should rip that page out.
No, I have one page that has everything like that. I should split it up into multiple places.
All right, let's see if this is working.
I'm surprised there wasn't like some multi-sig like key management system that didn't name themselves like Horcrux or something like that. They put themselves out.
Yep,
like,
true.
That would work. Like I would be like, oh, I get it. Like,
yep.
I now understand multi-sig.
And see, I've got to break my soul into small pieces.
It's literally that for safety. I mean, I get it.
I don't know, like I'm trying to see if it'll affect our engagement, but I started replying with polls to people, and the results are very good for. Oh, that never went live. What the hell? My last post never went live.
I saw a lot of them, and I was thinking this morning, like, it's genius. There's so many people replying to them.
Yeah,
they were saying the same thing, just like a commenting campaign. It's perfect.
Yeah, I saw one of them. I was about it. It was like, do you believe this guy like actually gets like
no or bullshit was the answers.
Yeah, that
was someone replied, can I do both? It actually might have been you who replied to do both.
It was me.
Yeah.
I wonder what your chances of winning the lottery are, like compared to guessing a 12-letter seed phrase.
So much better of winning the lottery, like infinitely better. Guessing the seed phrase, even if you like take the database of words, like there's a known database of like a few thousand words, but a few thousand over 12 is it's just such an astronomically large number. Like, yeah, brute forcing it until you got one of the billion wallets or whatever that have been created would just be like so wildly improbable.
This is the odds of winning the lottery: 1 in 292 million, and then I'm gonna paste the odds of the 12 seed crypto seed phrase.
Okay. Oh my god,
that's a lot of numbers.
How many?
It's just wild, eh? Like legit.
That's 10 to the 39th power. Dude,
yeah.
10 to the 31 times more likely to win the lottery.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a stat. If you guessed 1 billion phrases per second, it would still take many times the age of the universe on average.
Yep. Yeah, someone said it was the equivalent of like that you had to pick up one single like there was one specific grain of sand that you had to pick up that was somewhere on Earth, and like that you randomly pick up one grain of sand and it be that one.
It's probably less likely, honestly.
Yeah.
Because there's still a chance. Like, there's still a chance.
Yep.
No, maybe they're pretty close.
I wonder what the odds are now.
Someone took out the 5x pot. Who? I don't know if I can see because I wasn't playing in the games.
I think it was Enzo.
Oh yeah, Enzo 6x.
Yeah.
Well played, Enzo. Ooh, how far back was that? Where did he?
I wonder like what your odds are. Have you ever seen these like someone actually gave me one for Christmas. I don't know where I put it. I haven't set it up yet. It's a little suspicious to set it up. But it's like this little mining device. And it's like your lottery ticket, like, you could mine one of these Bitcoin and be the one to like get the encryption or whatever, unlock the encryption and earn like blank of a Bitcoin. And it's like each one is a lottery ticket. And I saw the marketing for it. It's like a totally worthless little miner, but they're explaining it like there's a blank chance that it could happen and you could unlock like, a Bitcoin or something like that and earn all this money.
Yep, I've seen those little miners, and I've seen someone go through the math, and he was saying that you're like his math worked out as just like paying for the electricity, and irregardless of the cost of the machine, that you are like 5 times more likely that like you're 5 times better off buying a lottery ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, Australia, we've got pretty expensive electricity prices as well, so maybe you're better off there with it.
No, they're expensive.
Yeah, right.
I'm more afraid just to run it. Like I'm like, this is gonna freaking hack my whole system if I plug this in.
Is it the known one? I mean, there's one that's like that heaps of Bitcoin enthusiasts use.
I have no clue. Like it's probably one from like Alibaba. I don't even know where it is. I chucked it somewhere. I'm afraid to use it. I'm like, oh. Wait, is this it? No. I don't know where I put it. I'll find it one of these days. Maybe there's a reason I lost it. It's never meant to be plugged in. Who is this Nara bonus? Jim Cramer told everyone to buy Nvidia today.
Yeah, I posted a poll on his thing.
That's pretty good.
Oh no, I posted on Kalshi saying it. Kalshi came out and said that he did it.
Matt, for that all hands slide. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Do me and David need to put anything in there, or is that not for us?
I mean, if you guys want to, I don't think there's.
I don't know what it is. I'm
It's if you can make it to the meeting. It's just like a whole team meeting. We kind of put together a slide, go over some of the highlights. You know, some of the things they've been working on doing, some of the successes.
yeah, okay. I can put a slide in.
Yeah, if you want to go over some of the stuff you're doing with everybody, it could be pretty cool.
All right, yeah, sure. Oh, work on it today. I get the day off. Today's gonna be a productive day. I'm gonna figure out what the hell vibe coding is. I'm gonna figure out how to do it.
What are you going to use to do it?
Don't know yet. I'm gonna figure it out. Starting from zero.
That'd be insane. Be good for life if you could figure that one out.
It doesn't look too crazy. I watched a couple of videos on it last night. I fell asleep watching one.
Yeah, they were like, Tony Stark is just a vibe coder. It was like, Jarvis, do this. Jarvis, do that.
The meta glasses are like Jarvis.
You're like, Jarvis, take a mental screenshot.
We got to get some way of getting everyone on the team to jump in on and comment on the posts as they first go out. There's like the X algorithm is now publicly available, and so you can see like what earns, like how you get to the top. And the points is like you get 1 point for a like, and like 5 points for a comment or something, 5 points for a repost. But you get 75 points for if someone comments and you respond to it, because they're trying to like reward conversation.
I'm done to put some comments on there and get that out there to reply. Someone's got to stir up some good stuff. It might be a little controversial in there, but I'll give it an attempt. Who is this stinking Metafide? Get off my timeline. And I'm not playing too hot. Who wins 15 losses? You guys have been distracting me. Think those antipots are growing yet or no, Yeti?
I think they've always been growing. They just haven't been like. Hang on, I'll try next game. I'll try putting in a $10 position, but they're just not awarding it. So they're not, you're not getting a qualifying position right now. And I don't think the early precision is working right now either. I mean, that's much harder to test. And also Kevin may have already done it. I don't know. But I think he was pretty distracted with other things. How good are pistachio nuts?
pretty good.
Of pistachios.
So good.
But the only thing is, like, it's a monopoly over here. There's like one company that puts out like a majority of the pistachios.
Is that true? I've never noticed that. Damn.
It's like wonderful pistachio, and maybe you get like some at a grocery store, like bulk in, a plastic container. It's like I don't know where those ones come from, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's like another brand.
Yeah, but you could just get like, at Whole Foods, like a little container of
Yeah, that's what I mean, like the bulk ones. But I don't know where those ones come from. But you don't really see like multiple brands up on the shelf. It's like wonderful pistachio or get them in bulk.
Right.
It's pretty good, Yeti.
All right, I'm in with a $10 position, and so we'll see.
All right. Then you should let me know. I would have put one down too.
I'm going to hit it spot on, so we'll be able to see if the...
Oh, Yeti.
No way.
One of your positions is killing it.
0. Oh, it's Matt.
No, MXAK then hit. MXAK was not spot on. Figure from Yeti.
No, didn't award it. But also it looks like they're not actually moving at all. You're right. Oh no, it did just tick up, but yeah, it didn't award me the qualifying position.
I don't know why the Instagram comments aren't coming through onto restreams. Someone gave you a shout out, Matt.
Oh yeah. What up? What up?
Pratty Domley said, "Hey, Matt."
Oh yeah. Oh, Pradeep. Oh, what up, Pradeep?
Oh, Pradeep. Holy shit! Yeah, right.
How you been?
Must have been a minute ago. Because there's nobody on it right now.
Come on, I'm in the money. In the money, no.
So I've been testing out paper trading with using the Metafide AI line for the daily game.
Yeah.
And in the last 4 days, I'm up 8%.
Dude, that's pretty good.
Yeah. And I'm only doing it directionally. I'm using no take profit, no stop loss. It's just a floating balance. If the next day, if it switches, I reverse the position. If it doesn't, I let it run. It's been doing well.
And what leverage are you using?
1-to-1. And no leverage.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
That is wild.
Yeah. Metafide's AI line is... Yesterday was the first day where there was a $1 loss. It was like break even about.
So if it says it's going down, you sell?
Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. The AI line had it sell right before that big drop. Let's see if I can show you.
and then you just buy back in like the whole next day.
I don't even buy back in. I let it run, and then I just click reverse position. So it like takes the profits and like, basically buy back in. Like you can see where it
So
had me
you
buy.
short it with 1x leverage.
Yeah. So that last red arrow was the buy.
Yeah, I'll make it bigger.
It caught
Yeah.
that whole big candle going down.
Nice. Nice job, Lorenzo. We will have to do some trading again.
Oh yeah, we should. Yeah, isn't that like we were talking about it? It's like that AI line's meant for the 1 minute game, right?
Yeah, there's like the 1 minute AI. There's the 1 day.
Yeah.
I hadn't traded in a while, and then I decided to trade a little bit during like this volatility run. And then I had some good days, and then I had some days where I just wasn't doing that well. Like, I was getting a little too antsy, and I wasn't patient enough. Like, I knew it was gonna pop one of these days, but like, I didn't stay in it, and I didn't want to stay in it because I didn't want to deal with the stress.
That's definitely the hardest part.
Yeah.
Is watching it. Like whenever I make a trade, I close my computer and I let the stop loss do the work or the take profit.
Yeah, I decided just to, not trade. And then I was like, here, let me do a few things. I was like, okay, I like the base ecosystem. Jesse launched a token in there, put some money in that. It's like down by like 80%.
Oh gosh. Yeah, no, I don't know how I would do if I saw that. Probably sell.
And I kind of knew something that would happen, but I'm like, okay, long term, if he does succeed, like his creator coin should do well if base is like the most popular ecosystem out there. It's like I don't. If
So
like
you're holding or selling?
I'm just gonna hold it. I'm not gonna do anything with it.
Yeah.
It's like Vitalik. Like, if he had his own token on ETH, would you not hold that for the future?
I don't think personality coins hardly ever do well. They're like they like need to be like a stupid dog or something. Like it's like
Yeah,
like Vitalik's dog. That would work better than Vitalik.
Yeah, I agree. But for me, I looked at it too. I was like, their whole platform, Zora, is all about these creator coins. And I was like, he needs to set the good example of like what a successful one looks like. So I was like, if they're gonna invest, hundreds of millions of dollars into the strategy, like, they don't have that themselves, but like Coinbase is investing in building this into like the base application and creating this whole like world of financial services and socials together. I'm like, okay, like this should be a good idea because they're gonna make sure this thing succeeds. It seems like maybe that narrative's a little dead for now, but I believe at some point it'll come back.
I've made a similar poor play trying to predict like not off the token's value itself, but like trying to use thinking like, oh, this project's about to launch another project, they'll have to at least like pump this one to launch their second one, and it's been just nothing but down.
Yeah, I remember you telling me about that. I was like, I mean, if they can get away with it, right? Like, it's like if everyone's already focused on the new thing and they already have the attention,
Yep.
Whatever, Like, they won't try to get the falling knife.
Yeah.
But you would think that people would care about that type of stuff, right? Like, logically. But they don't.
Yep. Yeah, I bought between 250 and 350, and it's currently at 2.
Oh man. Here's my big win for the day. Oh yeah. Bam. 3.7x.
Nice one.
I was telling Frank the other day, I was like, crypto industry is interesting because everyone is chasing new applications, but they don't want to talk about the stuff that like actually works. And when I was like, I'm looking at all the crypto applications, I was like, the number one crypto application never gets discussed ever in our industry. And I think like
And what is?
the best crypto application for me, I think, is SoFi. Which like SoFi is a whole like digital banking application, Yeti. So you could do everything here from setting up a credit card to setting up your savings account to setting up like some type of like higher yield earning account to consolidating debt if you wanted to taking out home loans and applying to them super easily. And what they allow you to do is in the same app that you're buying stocks and bonds in, you can buy crypto in too and track your entire portfolio. And you can also like send crypto to other people like it. And to me, I'm like, that's the best app because they showed how to integrate crypto into every single part of your life.
Yep.
And eventually, like, since they are actually a legitimate bank, you know, and they're offering these like loan services and consolidated debt and all this other stuff, you know, like eventually someone's going to take their USDC and put that up and get like a loan off of it. Whether you can do that now or something will allow in the future, I'm not sure. But again, that just shows like, okay, this is legitimate. This is how easy it is. It already exists in the palm of a bunch of users' hands. Like that's how you most likely get the next, you know, billion people to onboard through something like that.
Yep.
Because it's not focused on crypto at all. But again, it shows you how you can utilize this and tie it into your daily life and make it so simple and easy. You don't need to go anywhere else. And people talk about Robinhood a lot and how good that's been for crypto. And yes, like the tokenized assets are an innovation. But besides that, like SoFi has already beaten them.
Yeah, right. Yeah, well, it's funny that you say that because I literally haven't heard of them. You know, that you say they're not talked about, and I literally, yeah.
They're big on the West Coast over here. So it's not even like
Okay.
an East Coast thing. They're like probably a Seattle or like Silicon Valley based company.
All right. Yeah.
So they have their own, like crypto.com has their own stadium, like SoFi has their own stadium. So they're
Huh.
on that level of big.
One of my boys was using Acorn to invest in crypto and other assets, and he was like depositing like $20 a month or something into it, and he pulled it up for like the first time ever the other day, and he was like in like a moderately aggressive portfolio, and it's lost like 77%.
What?
It was like a robot trading, and he lost 77%. He was like, "Are you joking me?"
Dude, what? Bot is
What the hell?
77%.
Yeah, I was like really pissed. Like a moderately aggressive portfolio, and you're down 77%.
Dude, that's like super aggressive.
I'll get you a screenshot of it. I forget what it was invested in.
Dude, what the heck? They must be scamming.
I don't know. Acorn's like I've heard of Acorn a lot before. Like I know a lot of people use it.
I know, but at like a certain point, they must be getting like some deal to like shill out other assets, or they're making higher premiums on certain.
They're
assets.
bots investing in themselves.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
The founder
Wasn't this
process.
latest silver and gold pump just like insane? And then the pullback where it lost like, more market cap than the whole of crypto. Like, isn't that just that just blows my mind? Like that in its pullback, in a single day pullback, it lost more market cap than like the total sum of crypto.
It's because gold's like super manipulated.
Yeah. No.
I mean, and so is silver is. Gold not as much, but silver is.
Yep.
I'm glad I decided against that. I was thinking, like, should I like top blast this? This is looking good. Like, no, I'll hold off a couple of days.
Good move.
I'm shooting myself in the foot, man. I got rid of all of my gold and silver one day too.
Oh no.
And like
I had physical gold and silver, and it all got stolen out of a safe.
What?
Yeah, they like this. Like I had a safe that was like, it wasn't drilled. Like it was like a fucking heavy safe. Like like it's like it was very hard to move. And yeah, went away with family for a weekend and came back, and like someone obviously had gone in particularly to get the safe because nothing else was taken, just the safe.
terrible.
Yeah.
Someone knew about the safe.
Yeah, it had to be.
So it's like a friend that you like came.
Had to be. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's terrible.
Some friend.
Yeah.
Wow, that's brutal.
Yeah. Honestly, I never held my gold and silver because like, I was like, if this thing is ever going to go up in extreme value, the world's going to be in some rough conditions. And I was like, I'd rather have like guns and ammo than silver and gold. So I exchanged it all. During COVID, I exchanged it all for guns and ammo.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, like,
Oh my gosh.
that stuff is like worth like more than what I paid for it now.
Your guns and ammo.
Yeah, or it's like at the same value. So
How does guns and ammo go up in value?
guns can go up in value as time goes on. They get more expensive every couple of years, just because like they want less and less people to have them. So like the taxes, or like the laws, like certain things are grandfathered in, certain things aren't. And then ammo fluctuates too.
Here, buying gun. If you bought a gun, it'd be sweet. Like it's like the government buys it back off. They're doing a buyback scheme right now. They've done a few of them where they like pay really good money to buy back people's guns. Like you can go and surrender them, and they're just like no questions asked, buy your gun.
They have some stuff like that over here, but then people will like scam it and they'll like build a bunch of their own ones.
Yeah, right.
And then send them in, and they get like $200 like per one.
I'm coming in with my spray painted water gun.
Yeah. I told this dad at the gym though, where he's like, he's always for the last like year and a half talking to me about gold and silver, and he's like, finally like silver hits, and he comes in the gym and he's like, oh, he's excited. This guy's like 50 years old or whatever. He's like a little geeky guy. He's pretty funny. He's like all excited. He's like, man, he's like, Matt, like I gotta tell you, he's like, doesn't feel real. He's like, it's not right. He's like, something suspicious. He's like being in a room. He's like, myself, the guy who never wins anything, never succeeds, never gets the girl. He's like, I'm in a room right now, and there's 4 girls that want to go home with me. And he's like, they're the best looking girls in the entire world. Like all four of them want to go home with me. He's like, it makes no sense. This should never happen. And he's like, I'm in this situation right now where I got to figure out like, I just got to go home with one of them, because if I don't go home with any of them, like I'm not going to have any of this, because it's like this situation's never supposed to happen. And I'm like, yeah, bro. I'm like, sell some of your silver. I was like, If you're having this moment right now and you're freaking out and you're like, this is never supposed to happen, and you notice it, I was like, get out. I was like, sell like I was like at least 50% of it. And I was like, go buy something really nice with it and feel good. I was like, don't let it ride for a round trip. And he's like telling me, he's like, I already know. He's like, I'm not going home with any of them. I'm like, no. Like, it's not supposed to happen for guys like me. I'm like, dude, this is your opportunity. I was like, just take it right now. Just be happy. I'm like, what do you want to do? He's like, I want to refurnish my living room. I'm like, dude, go do that right now. That's gonna make your life like a lot happier. You're gonna feel better. Like, just go do that with the money and succeed at something. And he's like, all right.
Go invest in meme coins.
No, that was a bad idea.
Do you reckon meme coins are kind of like there'll be like NFTs where like people are still using them, and maybe there are a couple of legitimate kind of use case for them, but they're dead in the water now? There's no more.
I think they have been since sort of even last year.
Yep.
I mean, I think the signal is that Pump Fun is switching towards like this incubator approach, where they have a fund of like $3 million, and they're going to be investing like 250K checks into these companies and then incubating them. Like that is like it's, you know, things are failed. Like, okay, last resort, let's go like approve a few companies so that everyone can concentrate their attention into them, and then let's blow them up. Everyone's gonna be really upset that they all got rugged, and we're gonna walk out with one big check again, and you know, it'll be over.
I think the narrative behind it is just that, you know, you're gonna lose your money and it's gonna be a scam.
Yeah,
like that's kind of really deterred a lot of people away, especially with that. I think a lot of people stopped investing in meme coins after that National Geographic documentary came out on YouTube. And a lot of my friends watched it about crypto scams.
I didn't see that one.
It's pretty cool.
I should check that out.
They went to Dubai, and they like were talking to like, you know, some masked guys with, you know, voice changers. They're like talking about how they were telling their stories about how they took like all these old dads' retirement funds, and like, you know, it's like sad, but
yeah. But like, you'd be surprised because it's been going on for like 6 years now, at least, just people ripping meme coins, maybe 5 years. But like, you would figure after like the first year, everyone would have learned their lesson. And I figured even a year ago, by like 4 years into it, everyone had learned their lesson, and they still hadn't. And like, people are still doing it. So even when you think like people would be smart enough, like, it lasts way longer than you would ever expect. Like, people are never going to be as smart as like you give them credit to.
I mean, I was super impressed. Like that day you called me, like told me to look on Twitch for some streamers. I was watching some people trade meme coins, and like, dude, I watched some dude, like he was using like one soul, and I checked back in like a few hours, and he was at 34 soul. Yeah. I was like, how's that even possible? And they weren't his coins. He was just trading them. Yeah,
he just hit the right one.
I mean, but did he have insider knowledge?
I don't know.
Some of these guys could do a lot better if they have a big community, because there's other people trying to find them.
Right.
So like, he'll come into them first, and then like his community will come in.
Yeah, and like Axiom, and I assume Pump Fund too has like wallet. You can like put in wallet trackers and track creators' wallets, and when they buy something, you get like a ding, like, you know, whoever cups you just bought this.
Which becomes like such a self-fulfilling cycle at that stage. Like, if people are tracking your buys and buying what you buy, then whatever you buy is going to go up because
they lose all their money.
Yeah. People are like, "Wow, look at how good they are at picking the coin."
It's so crazy though, because like stuff that I thought would have got me put in jail or anyone put in jail made these kids famous, and they're okay with nothing happened to them. Like Orangey, right? Like that kid.
Yeah, Orangey. I was about to say, yeah, just
He like rugged some giant project, and then and then he becomes famous afterwards for being like a meme coin trader. And he's like, yeah, like I've made, millions of dollars off of trading meme coins, and it's like, yeah, like millions of dollars off of scamming people.
yeah, no,
Other kids,
he lost a lot of followers when he did that though, and people stopped like tracking his wallet. I think because
Yeah.
he was using everyone as just like exit liquidity, and they were just getting destroyed.
He has a whole business of it. Like I've met people in his world. Like he's got a whole fucking group of kids down in Miami, and they run like a whole Discord group. And he's like the founder of it, and it's like a few other kids, like one Russian kid and like maybe like 3 other kids. And it's just like all of them, and they run like they do marketing and token pumping and like all this random stuff and signals. Like they have all these tools to give out signals. But I saw another one. There was that one little kid. The kid was like 11 years old, and he like rugged everyone for like 20K on Pump Fund. Like he was like, a stream, and everyone's like, "No way is this little kid gonna rug everyone?" And he rugs everyone, and he gives everyone like the middle finger afterwards. And like that kid now, like super popular on like TikTok and Instagram. He like, lives down in Miami. He's like still underage. He's like 14 years old. And the kid's like, I saw a video of him. His mom must be like kind of bougie and like into Chrome Hearts young because he was selling like this guy all this Chrome Hearts stuff, and like some of it was from his mom's closet. But the kid pulls out this like BB Simon belt that's like 11K, and he's like, "Oh, I won that gambling." I'm like, what? Like 14 years old. He just pulls out this like $11,000 belt, and he like sells it to this reseller guy. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like these kids are winning like $11,000 gambling, and they're 14 years old, and he's saying it like so nonchalant. Like it's just like, yeah, like that's just what it is.
Dilly says there was a lawsuit that the system allowed insiders to profit at the expense of retail investors.
On Pump Fund, yeah, dude, Pump Fund, that happened a long time ago, like maybe like 2 years ago. They've been under investigation. They suspect that they were like running market making strategies on them. So like determining like what tokens to pump, like pumping random tokens, and then just like I don't know. And it's kind of like a system where it is a little unfair because you have trending. So you could, like, as a Pump Fund team, you could all invest in a token and then make that token go trending on the platform. And then everyone gets a notification pinged about it, and then they all trade it. And those investors are making so much money off of that. Like they like stopped investing in other projects and really just only focused on that. Like any other project coming up into the space would have taken away attention from that. Then competition. Thought I had that one. This is where I usually make my big gains in these last couple minutes.
What are you on for the session?
I'm down. I'm like 8 wins, 32 losses. Which $91 down. Oh, I didn't realize I was playing $2 a hand. That's why. For quite some time now.
How are you doing this session, Lorenzo?
I went 0-4 and ran out of money. I'm playing cards with myself.
What kind of cards?
I've played poker and blackjack against myself.
What do you mean against you? How do you play? Like blackjack is pretty
I'm
obvious.
just-
How do you
I'm just
play poker
doing
against?
2 hands, running out the river, seeing who won.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not.
I think I got 2 games left.
Matt Lucci he was playing yesterday, and he was on the leaderboard, and he saw only wins, and he asked me who it was, and I told him he could have one guess. He got it right.
Oh yeah, nice. He knows I only win.
It's like, dude, that's got to be bad.
Is like Lucci's name said like Luciano? Or you guys just call him like Lucci?
Luciano, and then yeah, we call him Lucci or Lou.
Yeah, Lou would make sense because like Luciano.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good one. It's one of my girlfriend's names.
One of her baby names, Luciana.
Yeah,
Fire.
she's Italian. And one of her like other top ones got stolen. We have like a friend at the gym, and he has that name.
What was it?
It was Carmine.
Some names, like they're good names, but like you met a person sometime in your life who has that same name, and you just like have to rule it out.
Yeah, you're like, oh, it's done now. It can't.
It's like
Yeah, you'll figure that out. It'll be like some name your girlfriend will want to name your daughter. You'll be like, that was my ex-girlfriend. You're like, you can't do that. All right, last game. I need this. It's not looking good for me.
Ochara. Oh, I can see it. Minus 107. I think if you move the mouse more, it might go where you want it.
Dude, I was thinking, like, what
He's
makes
like rubbing the mouse over it. He's like,
what makes it bigger? Hold the mouse like this bigger. Like, how do you like sustain it? I got it. There we go. Look at that. Like, there's something that you gotta do where like you could sustain it being big. It's not showing you it. Oh, it's only showing me. That's interesting.
yeah,
Like when I go like this, my mouse grows like
yeah, me too, me too.
4 times in size, but then you can get it to maintain. Like there it is, bam. And then you get the giant mouse, but it's not showing on the screen. That was a good game. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us today for a Supercharge event. We're playing some 1-minute BTC prediction games. There's a 1-day game currently going on. I've been bad. I'm not in the 1-day game. Now I am. So if you haven't had a chance, there's still a lot of time. I just got in there. Got the pot up to $327 right now. Got Ace in there, Yeti. All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Anyone who wants to try to play in the 1-day game, the 5x pot is up to $3,000 and the 10x pot is up to $2,000. All you have to do is win 5 days in a row to unlock $3,000. Doesn't seem bad to me. If you were out there, you don't have a position down in the 1-day game, all you got to do is put $5 to get yourself in there. You could be competing to win $3,000.
You could even do it in 3 days.
Oh yeah, if you're in the top part of the game, if you got a big ROI, you got you're really active position, you could win 2 for 1 game, and that could be putting you towards the top faster. All right, thanks guys for coming in. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.
Cheers, guys.